Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create seamless background changes. Start by isolating the subject using mask overlay mode and refining edges thoroughly to avoid visible cut lines, especially around hair and soft clothing areas. Apply the mask and place the subject onto the new background, adjusting scale and perspective so both elements feel naturally aligned. Use curves, color balance, or exposure adjustments clipped to the subject to match lighting and color temperature with the background. Optional enhancements include adding subtle